how are you doing today? I hope that you are doing well. Also, like, look at this penguin onesie. It's really great. You know what else is great? A Big Mac, and that's what we're going to learn how to make today. The coveted Big Mac, my favorite snack as a kid growing up. And you know, since I can't go home, I wanted to make it, and also because I can't really afford it, so I wanted to make it at home. And I hope that you guys are excited to make a Big Mac. Also, like, look at this little new setup. I reorganized my kitchen today because I had another manic episode, so I thought, why not get my life together by cleaning some shit? So, yeah, but if you guys want to join the Devious Dinners table, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell, too, as well. Like, you know, just ring-a-ding-ding it. Because otherwise you won't get notified when I make new videos, and you won't be notified when it's supper time, you know what I'm saying? So make sure to do that. Also make sure to smash that like button, like I'm about to smash some burgers on the griddle. So let's get to it, okay? It's gonna be delicious. So first thing, you want 1 egg yolk, some diced dill pickles, some diced onions, some ketchup, some mustard, some smoked paprika, and some garlic powder, as well as some white vinegar and some pickle juice, dill preferably, at least in my opinion. And then you are going to emulsify everything and just slowly drizzle oil into whiskey. And then you're gonna add some salt and pepper to your taste, as well as sugar. I did not record that, I forgot to, so make sure to add sugar, because Big Mac sauce is slightly sweet. So now I'm just cutting up an onion. Don't cry, it will be fine, it's not that hard. You're gonna cut your onion downward, then, you know, inward, and just get a nice beautiful dice like so for your sauce and for your topping. Super easy, super. Now we're going on to our lettuce, and we are rolling that up, and we are going to do a chiffonade. I know fancy words from a lady that is using a paper plate, but it's super simple, and it makes the shredded lettuce, and it's a lot cheaper than buying the bag of shredded lettuce, and fresher. Show me the cheddar. So we're just shredding some cheddar. I know they use American. I like cheddar, and it's what I had on hand. We are toasting our buns in a dry cast iron skillet, and once we are done, we are oiling our pan and adding our little burgers into it. So I was trying to show you guys how to make the burger. I hope you can kind of see it from the corner. I'm just pressing it in my hands, kind of doing a piss poor job of showing you guys. I apologize, but we're just gonna put this one in the pan. Forget that happened. We're gonna add our salt and our pepper, and then once those burgers are nice and brown, we flip them and we add our cheddar cheese. We are gonna turn off the heat, and then we're gonna cover it. But for now, let me add a moment of silence so you can hear this burger sizzle. So first things first, we're gonna take our nice toasty fluffy bones and we're gonna sauce them on it. Make sure that you spread the sauce from side to side, from crust to crust, because we have to have the sauce everywhere. It is a must. Now add your pickles and make it cry by adding some onions. And you know, you want to fluff up your lettuce, by the way. Just a quick tip to add some height. See what I'm doing, fluffing it up. And then you're gonna just place that on the burger. Well, now we're adding the burger, oops. But, you know, add some more sauce, and we're going to make it cry yet again. Feel bad, I'm sorry. And then add some more lettuce. Maybe that won't make it cry as much. Add more onions, I guess I like onions, and then add some more sauce. And that's it. You got yourself a Big Mac. Dun, 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 dun. It's all done, and it's between 2 buns. So fun. But you know, on to the tasting. I gotta set it down. Actually, I'm gonna adjust this real quick. Give me 1 second. No, I don't usually just keep knives out, but I'm reorganizing the kitchen still. But I wanted to film the video, so just keep that in mind. But now that we're at a good point to bite, and it's gonna be messy, but I'm excited. It's a Big Mac, and it's a lot hotter and fresher. Usually when I get it, it's already cold, but it's all nice and fresh. Like, look at that. It's still pink too. Like, it's not overcooked meat. On that note, I am going to devour this dish. So I will see you next week on Wicked Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe so that way you are reminded to see my lovely face, so that way I can see your lovely face as well. But I love you, and I hope you have a killer day. See you next time. Bye. I gotta go wash my hands before I can shut off my camera.